Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're here in Winterton-on-Sea, just north of Great Yarmouth, to have a look around this beautiful little village. We're going to start here, obviously by the church, take a walk down the beach road, see all the sights along the way and end up at that beautiful beach. So come on, let's go.
Yo, Itsajackslife, pack your bags, let's roll. From first class flights to that budget hotel, planes, trains, tourist gains, we're on the move. Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high vibes, tracks down low. Jet set, living everywhere we go. Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. Itsajackslife, adventure's great.
So just going to start our tour here at the Holy Trinity and All Saints Church. Absolutely beautiful church Winterton has. Look at that. Absolutely stunning and huge. I know we're really looking to go to the beach, but you have a little look at this first, haven't you? But yeah, from here we're going to head down here. This is the beach road that takes you straight to the beach, and we're going to see what we can see en route. This is, well, just forgot to say, the tallest church in Norfolk, and you can see why. Pardon the weeds, we're feeding the bees. Fun little name. So it's a very quaint little place, this. Very quiet, very peaceful. It's perfect for a little walk around on a summer's day. Or even a spring day like today. Look at this little village green. It's actually kind of an island in between all the roads, but it's kind of a little park, little green. It's very pretty. Very well tended, lots of flowers, benches. An awesome little sign. Fisherman's Return, that's a famous pub around here. Nice pub too, very worth a visit. And look how cool this is, a little boat rockery. It's funny walking around these little villages. You don't even get paths. You just have to walk on the side of the road. But a very cute little place. Just having a little look around this detour. We'll go back to the main road now. Look at this little alleyway. Cute little road. The Luke. This house is for sale. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? Beautiful. I thought this was a play area, but it's just one's back garden. Just the best back garden in the world. At the village hall, and then this takes us straight down to the beach. So this is part of the North Coast footpath, so you can have a little walk through the dunes. On a day like today, it is perfect because it's very sunny, very nice, but it is quite windy, so in these dunes gives you some shelter and you just get the nice sunshine. We're just going to have a walk through here before going to the beach, just to show you something pretty unique in Winterton. These round houses that you don't, well, I've never seen anywhere else before. Apparently a lot of them are holiday lets, so you can rent them and stay in them, but they're pretty cool, pretty different. So if you like staying in something a bit unorthodox, they might be up your street. Here we go, first glimpse of them. Let's go up there and have a closer look. Can really see just how vast these dunes are. Look at them, amazing. Here we are, details if you want to book them. Look at these for something a bit different. How cool are these? Very unique. And then the other thing from up here is just that view. Look at that. Here we are on top of the dunes. Let's go check out the beach. Like I say, it's quite windy today, so I think there's quite a few waves in the sea. There we go, just coming to the end of the dunes now before we drop down to the beach. And that is about as big as a wave as I've I've ever seen in the UK. Very choppy today. But look at that for a view. Absolutely stunning. Look at these big old waves. So right at the end of the beach road here, you've also got some public convenience. You also got yourself a car parked, £2 an hour, £8 all day, so not too bad. And you've got the Seal View Cafe. Get yourself some refreshments right by the beach. Look at the amount of erosion here. This used to be obviously a road that went down there, presumably. It's all been washed away. Not surprised with waves like this. So I finished my tour here in the dunes at Winterton-on-Sea. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you've all enjoyed. If you are in the Great Yarmouth area, do come and check this village out. It's absolutely beautiful. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks very much.
Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. It's a Jack's life, adventure's great.